Hey everyone, it's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Block. This is ticker XYZ. Now, I like to think of Block as a bit of a crypto play, and we've been watching this chart over at our sister service, Crypto Market Mentor. And what I like about this chart is it's one of few in the crypto space that's above its 50-day moving average. If you look at a lot of the Bitcoin miners, Riot, for example, under the 50-day moving average, Marathon under most of the key moving average, HUD 8, it's better than most, but still under the 50-day moving average. But XYZ or Block is above the 50-day moving average. Now, they do have earnings coming out in just about 21 days, but I would keep an eye on this for a potential momentum move if it's able to get above this level of resistance right around 94.30. We can see that this level was important on the breakdown. It was rejected here before it broke all the way down and then ultimately came down under the 50-day. But it's been resistance here, here, and here. And so I definitely think that's a level you should watch for a break above. If it gets above and holds above 94.30 and does it on volume, I think you got a nice little momentum trade that could test up here just under $100. So I would definitely keep an eye on Block for a breakout above this clear level of resistance coming on higher than average volume. Just keep in mind it's a momentum trade and earnings are coming up. So that's just one of many charts we're looking at this weekend at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that's helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.